When moms need comfort and safety while pumping, we recommend the Pappu breast pump, designed just for you. Made from soft, clear silicone, odorless and free from carcinogens. Ergonomically designed for a comfortable grip, minimizes skin irritation, and is completely BPA-free. Easy to assemble in just a few steps. Attach the silicone valve to the milk storage bottle, then place the breast shield, with silicone bolt, against the breast and twist it onto the bottle to create a manual breast pump. Easy to use with natural pumping rhythm, comfortable to hold and doesn't strain your hand. Caution: do not use detergent or disinfectant for cleaning. Do not clean with a dishwasher. Keep all parts out of reach of children. Always check the equipment before use. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.